So what do we bring? Science, managerial expertise, field expertise. That's what MVI is bringing to the field of development of malaria vaccines. Developing a vaccine requires a lot of ingredients, very expensive. And basically, as there is no market, we need people, we need someone to come in the middle and see that that is going to happen. That's one very first important role of MVI, bridge that gap by bringing, in fact, funds from the Gates Foundation or other funders to make it happen, to take those projects from the lab and bring them to the field. But to take those projects from the lab, you have to be able to identify the good project. And to identify the good project, you need science. And every morning now when I come to the program that I lead, I'm very, very proud to see the quality of the scientists I'm working with. Those guys are working with the best. And they are developing with the best the tools that are going to help us develop the next generation of vaccine or go on with the research that we are doing today on the existing projects. So that, to me, a very important field. I was last week on the phone with the CEO of a biotech company that is not very far from here in North Carolina, basically, and he was, in fact, referring to the fact that the collaboration of his biotech company with MVI was very important because we were bringing science that was not available in his organization to develop a new approach. So that's a very important point. Second point that is very important, management. Why? Because we are managing large amount and large sums of money. So if we want to keep funders funding the research that we are doing, we need to be good managers. Means, in fact, we need to be able to define a project and define when the project has to stop or not to stop and go to the next step. Last but not least, MVI brings a lot of expertise from the field. Important today for the clinical trial that we are doing, but also important for tomorrow when we are going to do other trials with the new vaccines.